My name's Barry Reitman. I'm the author of Secrets, Tips, and Tricks of a Powerful Memory, and I'd like to discuss very briefly how to remember foreign words and phrases, and in this case of the example I'm about to give you, foods. There's an Indian restaurant that I really like near my home, and I usually order the same thing, or I usually did order the same thing, but one day the waiter came to the table and he said, "Try something new. There's something that the chef wants you to try. It's Merge Gell Freezy." I tried it. I liked it. I learned that it's available in most Indian restaurants, but it's often not on the menu. You have to ask for it. So I have to remember, what was that? Marriage? It's Merge Gell Freezy. And here's how I remember it. I was driving to the restaurant. This is my story. I can make it up any way I want. And I merged into a high-speed lane, and a car hit me. I think it was his fault. He thinks it was my fault. Well, the police thought it was my fault. And after this merge accident, they put me in jail. Just for a little while. But it was a very unpleasant experience. I was freezing. After this merge, I went into jail, and I was freezing. And I want some of that hot Merge Gell Freezy to warm me up. That's how I remember foreign words.